Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Cool Tech. Today I am going to unbox this phone I KALL K22 model. So let's start the video. Here the I KALL K22. It is a typical red color box with various types of feature. So this is the phone, and there are the slip, and there are also the battery. This is the battery, 1000 mAh battery, and this is the micro USB type 2 charger. There is nothing in the box, so unbox the phone. First remove the cover from the phone skin. It is in blue color, typical blue color, and plastic body. Remove the battery back cover, two dedicated SIM slot and one memory card slot inside the battery, and then start the phone. Starting the phone. There is this plastic body with keypad plastic. This is the primary camera. It comes with 0.3 MP megapixel rear camera. This phone comes with 32 MB RAM, 64 megabyte ROM, 1.8 inch display, 1000 mAh battery, dual SIM, and also memory card slot. This phone has many facilities: music player, also there comes with 0.3 MP audio jack side in the, and torch also on the head. Dedicated features with games, music player, FM radio, full display. The company has 15 months warranty on this phone. Last thing, I would say must. This phone comes with only 650 rupees. This is a very value for money for this phone, and this phone runs 1 or 2 years easily. So this is a very recommended phone for this budget under 700.